Alright, I guess we're going to do the first cold start of 2026 on the 64 dart. Why not? Hey, Mr. Chickens. Yeah, it's starting to be spring, isn't it? In the North Country. Yeah. Yeah, they're having a fun time. Looking for things in the melting snow and ice. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, still have snow. See if we can get the door open. Yeah. What clears it? All right. Try to sneak into here. Yep. Just like how I left it. Get the old keys right here. Let's see if we can get something, huh? Alright, I don't know if I should pump it. Probably not. Let's just, maybe one pump. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it. Whoa. Pretty nice. Let's try it again. Wowzers. Wow, all right. She's running. She's been parked a lot of months. Oh, she's liking it. Sounds like he's skipping a little. But I haven't done the wires yet. I need to do that. All right, we can call that a cold start. Nice. Running a little rough, but she's running. Play around with the carburetor here. Yeah, probably needed to warm up some, but official cold start of 2026 on the 64 dart with the Leaning Tower of Power. She looks pretty nice. I'll be doing some more work on these headers here, maybe painting those up. You know, just detailing and doing all the fun stuff before I do the unfun stuff on the floor inside. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.